For those of you who enjoy the ASMR of filing, and I think I left the sound in here too, because sometimes I like to hear the sound of filing. So here you go, guys. So Yoko is wearing EC Basket Full Coverage Stilettos by Nails Gaga. I'm using Igel Beauty today, clear, Kimono Violet, but I'm going to switch that up later, and Cozy Cashmere. Look at this. I got my old school size 8 Kolinsky brush, but I'm going to switch off to that one, which is a size 8 Sophia Kolinsky brush. Now, usually it's difficult for me to include this because it's so hard to stay in frame, but you know what? Today I decided to push myself. I am starting acrylic practice, I'm starting ombre practice, and this is also something that I decided to try to get at least some of this in. For those of you who enjoy the ASMR of filing, and I think I left the sound in here too, because sometimes I like to hear the sound of filing. So here you go, guys. Yeah, so I left that in there for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well today. Hey everybody. Hey NailTubers. So this is special. Everything's always special to me, right? But no, I decided it's time for you to start practicing your acrylics again. Now that I have this collection from Not Polish and I have my order from Igel Beauty, I'm starting to crack down on myself. So that's what this is all about, and I'm happy to do it. As a matter of fact, I've done a few sets and the videos are waiting for editing. I can't even begin to tell you what that's going to be like. So just as a precursor, guys, if you hear clicking or little noises in the background, I do have my windows open. It's a beautiful day today. The weather is mid-range. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's just right. And there's a very light breeze that I'm enjoying. I love to open the windows in my home and get a lot of fresh air circulating. So the noises will be because I have my windows open, okay? So as you can see, I'm putting down a thin layer of clear acrylic. This is done to protect any bleeding from any colors that are very pigmented. Though I'm using these nail tips or nail enhancements, I'm doing it out of habit. So now I start with the color acrylic. This purple is called Kimono Violet, and the nude is Cozy Cashmere, as I mentioned before. I really did not like the way this purple was coming out. It had nothing to do with the product, its quality, or how it was performing. It was too dark. That's not the vision that I had for this set, so eventually you'll see me switch out. I'll take that nail enhancement off, and eventually you'll notice a totally new one that I'll start back over with the clear. Yes, this is more the color I had in mind. I feel like this lighter color made the transition in the ombre with the nude so much better. You'll see. I think I matched the nude with Yoko's skin tone perfectly. In the process of me practicing, there are some things that I'm learning. I am still getting the feel of the set point in the Igel Beauty powders, and also I'm playing with my acrylic a little too much too soon, but I'll get used to it. Again, I'm not coming down on myself. I'm just pointing those things out in order to help you as well. I will let you in on this though. My vision is starting to change with age. And no, I ain't telling y'all how old I is, okay? No, but my vision is changing, and I'm noticing that I struggle more, especially in the night hours or if I'm doing a set late in the evening. So I'm going to either need some better lighting, because as you can see, the shadowing in this, but I will have to do something to accommodate the strain in my vision. Either only do acrylics by daytime or just get more lighting for night. By the time I was doing the ombre on this last nail, I was starting to feel the coordination. Yeah, on the last nail, right? It's like, why couldn't it happen sooner? But look at me, trying to have a little swag and wait right here. But overall, I think they still came out pretty decent. Now, even if there's not perfection, these are going to be covered, or at least two of the nails are going to be covered with 3D flowers, and it's going to look very nice. So here I'm going in with a layer of clear to top it off. So yeah, here's some more filing, guys. But this time I couldn't make it ASMR because of the background. And you know what? The funny thing is, I was reviewing my own video while I was doing this filing. I wonder if that would be a violation. I don't know. I don't know that much about all the YouTube stuff. I'm still learning as I go along. But as you can see, 2 times, y'all. 2 times in one video, I included the filing for you. I'm really pushing myself, right? So after a little shaping from the sides, I go in with my Burano Smart E file. And I love this file. It fits just perfectly in my hand. And I really don't take it much over somewhere between 10 and 13. Unless I have to, of course. But I'm using a medium grit sanding band. I'm not going to switch to anything else because this is being done on Yoko. If I was doing a live client, of course the drill bit that I would use would more than likely be something different. Now I'll create a small cluster of flowers. I really love how these nails turned out. Now, as much as I'm working to improve my foundation of laying acrylic a lot better, my most fun thing to do actually is 3D acrylic art. I love, love, love 3D acrylic art. And you guys are going to see much more of that on this channel as well. I am so inspired because of you guys. Let me explain. Lately, when I look through my comments, oh my gosh, how do I say this? Like, there was a time before I started my channel when I was a viewer and I was subscribed to other people and I would send them comments or see other comments and see their reactions where they would say things like, oh my gosh, you guys touched me in some kind of special way. Even so emotional they would get. And I found myself in that position. And I'm like, oh my gosh, people are supporting me in the same way. So, guys, I have to give you this. This is something that I love doing, and I just want to thank you so much for all of your support. You guys are so amazing. I love this channel, and I love this NailTube family. So I'm going to be here, guys, and I'm going to be giving it to you, okay? And because of this, I have a couple of requests coming up. There's a few people who have specifically asked me for something, and I did reply to you. You know who you are. So I just wanted to make sure that, and I hope you're watching this, that you know that I have not forgotten. As a matter of fact, when I'm ready to post it, I will be hitting you back up on the comment that you left me so that you'll know to look for it. So guys, yeah, we're going to do this, okay? It's a family. It's the NailTube family. As a matter of fact, this being a family, let me mention someone to you. This lady is cranking out videos like it's nothing, honey. Okay, she is into acrylic nails, and I'm talking, if you like the long extensions, that is what she is doing. And I love her art. I love her long nails. So you get over there and visit her channel, and remember to subscribe to her too. Hers is more of ASMRs, where you could kind of like start it up, play it, sit back, and just enjoy it. Because she puts in a lot of work. She's been cranking out, the other day, I think she cranked out 2, maybe 3 videos, and she's been doing this. So if you're into it, head on over there. Let her know that I sent you and send her much love for me. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even say her name. Twila Beginner Nail Art, and I'll have it right there on my screen, and I'll also have a link for her channel in my description box. Love you, Twila. Doing this video has truly been a pleasure, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button if you did. And really, remember to leave me a comment so I know you've been here. Let me know what you think of anything that I talked about or shared with you today. And for those of you that are new, subscribe to my channel and hit that nailification bell and become part of this family, okay? See you next time.